will destroy your life. Maybe you have pride, you don't even know whether you have pride. Try to check yourself. Because some people get pride, but they don't know what's pride. They just feel say their own way of doing things. No, it's pride. Because sometimes somebody you go do somebody something, some people go enter into the relationship, into the discussion, go even tell you, say, go and tell that person sorry. You say, I can't tell the person sorry. Why I go tell you sorry? For what I do, I go tell you sorry. For what you do, I go tell you sorry. And don't be rushed to talk about things which you don't even understand. Have you asked that the person, your sister, brother, or your husband, what's happening? You have not even asked that person. But that person is trying to tell you what is happening in her life. And you want to judge her without even asking why she did it or why she did what she did. You just judge her. Okay, you sit on your own. It's good for you. It's good for you. That's pride. That's pride. If you don't know what to be pride, sometimes I just say pride, that 5 letter word. That 5 letter word are bad word. Bad word. Pride. Pride. 5 letter word. And if you want to make a man look bad, you need to just start thinking on it. Say sorry. Say sorry. You no go buy you. If you say sorry, you no go buy you. So apologize. Apologizing to people you love and your relation, your husband, your wife is very, very important in life. Apology is one of the things that you should remember. If you have done something wrong to somebody, you need to apologize. It doesn't mean you are a fool. It doesn't mean you don't know what you're doing. But just apologize because you were the cause of it. But you don't want to accept that you were the cause of it. Because you want to take pride and add it to the apology. You don't want to apologize. You don't want to say sorry. You want to take pride. And don't mind